Greetings and salutations. I am so excited. See this tube back here? I'm about to open it. Let's dive in. Let's see what is inside. And I love the fact that it's a tube now. Oh my goodness, I almost purchased it just so I could get the fabulous, decorated, amazingly structured Treasure Studios art tube. But what's inside is even more. Bling, bling, bling. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, so it is time to dive into another unboxing. That's right, this is a Treasure Studios art unboxing. It came in this amazing tube. It does have a picture on the end of it. I can't believe it. This is a Ruth West. It's a 45 by 60. It's called Pink Ink Flower. And I am going to dive into this. And then afterwards, I'm going to record it in my logbook, which has how to diamond paint, as well as some therapeutic things that you can work on from new to novice. But I can't wait to fill out my log page. So I'm going to put this over here. And let's dive in. Every Treasure Studios art comes with a wonderful, amazing kit, a toolkit. I'm going to put a photo right here so that you can see what comes in the toolkit. And then we're going to dive in. Crinkle alert, crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. When this image came out, this is my style when it comes to flowers. I love floral, as you guys know with my opening credits, or if you see my face and what's behind me, I have some red flowers. I'm very into abstract meets real. So I don't know. I just saw Ruth West and they are absolutely gorgeous. What I love about Treasure Studios art too is that you have the clear cover. That's because they use mounted glue. It's not poured glue. It's not double-sided adhesive. It is a mounting glue, which is meant to last forever. They use it as adhesives in cars. It's meant for outdoor and indoor, and therefore it's going to hold the test of time. All right, so I got this one in square. Because they said they updated their squares, I wanted to try out the square. So that's why I got the squares. Is this not beautiful? So you definitely, it's a little bit abstract in color and how the watercolors come out. Gorgeous, Ruth, amazing. But yeah, it's defined. It's 29 colors. They send you the sheet. I'm gonna run it through my sticker maker so I can kit this up. Look at those symbols, nothing that we're not used to if you're somebody who diamond paints all the time. They also list the size, what type you got, and if you have any questions, where to go seek out your answers. We'll go through the colors super quick and then we're going to turn this over. What I love about this is that it is self-flattening, but I'm going to roll it backwards, and you can roll it backwards if it's poured glue or mounting. If it's double-sided adhesive with that opaque top, you do not want to roll it backwards because you're going to ruin your painting. You're going to cause bubbles and wrinkles, and it's not going to be fun. So here we go. This way we get it flattened. All right, look at these gorgeous purples and pinks. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I want you to see, just the different variances, the quality. If you look in there, I don't see any like little bits or pieces hanging off of the drills. The little dots that you see is where the machine pokes the drill through. That's not going to affect. It is all flat, but these are just gorgeous colors. If you like working out of baggies, they're already kitted up for you. I tried to work out of bags with the current one I'm working on, not a problem, except my brain just wasn't loving it. So I switched to my Harbor Freight containers, which are like this, and I noticed my stress level dropped significantly, and so that's what I like to do. All right, so like I said, this is a 45 by 60. This is probably close to my favorite size. Anything that's roughly around the 40 by 50, 40 by 60. My arms are short, so I like to be able to reach and then flip and reach again without having my whole body laying on the image. This is absolutely beautiful. The paper is, or the plastic is nice and thick, and then I'm going to show you. Oh, I did not. That was my bad. I am not doing well laying this paper down. All right, so I'm going to show you up close and personal. You can see how clear they are. What I also love about TSA, Treasure Studios Arts, is that you're not going to have what they call training wheels or dummy circles if you do the rounds. I don't like those because then if you don't get things stuck on straight, then it just causes somewhat of a white or black circle behind your drills. Just gonna lay this down again. Oh, my own hair, I feel like is everywhere right now. I just brushed my hair, and that means it's all over my shirt, which then means if I do anything, yeah, don't cook. I don't cook after I shower and brush my hair because that means it ends up in the food, and that's not very friendly. But how gorgeous is this? And this is, I think, going to be a great size. You can get it in different sizes. And what's nice about TSA is they actually, the minute you hit the go button, that's when they go into production. So they're not sitting on a shelf, they're not getting dusty or old, they are made to order. That's why you can pick round or square, and that's why you can pick your different sizes. It also helps them quality control. So if anything does go wrong with the drills, they're not sitting on, 400 things of inventory of bad drills, and then by accident you get one of those. So I love the customer service, the quality control. I am an affiliate, so if you do want one of these by Ruth West, she has amazing ones on the website, or if you want to go check them out, they have a lot of landscapes, portraits, animals. Use DP Gen 15, you'll get 15% off. And I just started for the month of March and April. And anyone who buys using my code, it shows up on the back end. I am going to do a drawing at the end of April. Anyone who used my code in March 1st through April 30th will be in a drawing for a $50 gift card to TSA because I want to give back to you for supporting me. So thank you so much for all you do. I hope and can't wait to see what you get from TSA or what you're working on, what you love. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all. Bye-bye.